Hey, and welcome to Minican Logistics LLC, the Dominican pressure washer. Thank you for being with us in our YouTube channel. Please give us a call at 857-381-3453. We serve in Massachusetts. So who are we? We are a pressure washing company that dedicates to do good in our community by maintaining their houses and businesses clean. Me and my technicians are in business since 2016. Since then, we are always helping our community to be a better place by providing excellent service and beautiful solutions for your house. So we clean driveways, gutters, fences, walls. Please let us be your solution to your cleaning needs. Minican Logistics LLC, the Dominican pressure washer. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and then share this video to all of those friends and family that you know that their house are dirty and you need us to clean it. Thank you very much. Until